Hello again, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to talk about the design of surfboard fins. And actually surfing is so interesting in terms of science. I have my surfboard here. So this is a center fin. This shape is a dorsal fin shape of a dolphin. So okay, this is the close-up of a surfboard fin. I have two surfboard fins here. If you see, it has sticker on both sides. This is a center fin. And this one, the sticker is on one side, on the left, my left, but maybe it's your right. In science, they are different. During my study in aerospace engineering, I learned a lot about how to design an aircraft. So in an aircraft, to be able to create something that aerodynamic and to be able to reduce the drag, so the scientists came up with the idea of airfoils. In an aircraft design, when designing a wing, the aircraft designer usually using airfoil. So this fins is actually based on airfoils. In NASA paperwork, there are loads of lists of airfoil numbers. You know, when you design these fins, so the fin designer must be creating the fins using the airfoil template. Otherwise, it's not going to be fluid dynamic. So in an aircraft design, the airfoil shape, for instance, for these two, this front is called leading edge and this back side is a trailing edge. So if you are going to design a fin, you can use airfoil template. The airfoil have different profile. So the profile here, there, and this tip as well, they are different size. The chord length is from the leading edge to the trailing edge. That's how an airfoil. For the center fin, I believe the design uses symmetrical airfoil because the shape of it. If you see both sides the same, for the side fin it uses non-symmetrical airfoil because one side is a curve and the other side is flatter. So, you know, for the aircraft wing or turbine blade, they're also using airfoil shape. So I think that the famous surfboard company, if they have engineers working for their design team, I'm sure they are using airfoil template to create their design. Because for me, the surfboard is similar to the aircraft wing. And for fins, is similar to aircraft wingtip. So basically it's science. Actually, there is a surfboard fin, the one with the honeycomb. Do you know why it's honeycomb? Because the inside hollow, and in aircraft design, the structure of the aircraft usually hollow inside and to reduce the weight, but the structure itself still hold the strength. So the scientists found a way to put honeycomb structure inside the aircraft design as well as fin design, the honeycomb fin, because instead of you have a solid material like these fins, this is a very solid material. It means it's heavier because it's more dense. Then with the honeycomb design, it means hold the strength but with less material. So anyway, I'm going to talk about another thing next time. If you find surfing interesting, I find surfing and science actually interesting. That's why the science behind surfing is so interesting for me. Anyway, speak to you next time. Bye!